Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add additional users in Huawei MateBook X. To do this, we'll need to launch our start and then open the settings. Here select the account. You can find your family and other users. Add someone else to this PC. And here, if they have the Microsoft account and want to log in, you can enter their credentials. If not, select I don't have this person sign in information and you'll be able to create new account without having Microsoft account. So add user without Microsoft account, and here we can customize it. You can enter their name. If they want a password, they can enter it right here, but it's optional. So you can create new user without the password if you leave it empty. Then click on the next and your new account should be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.